Hello everyone, I'm Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. In previous video, we have discussed about in object-oriented programming introduction, and now we are discuss about in basic concept of object-oriented programming. The first of all, a object-oriented programming is a concept that work in the principles of abstractions and encapsulations, inheritance and polymerism. And then the object oriented programming is a method used for designing a program using classes and objects. And the main basic principles of object oriented programming is a encapsulations, abstractions and inheritance and polymerisms. And the main OOPS concept is here. There are the six concepts in OOPS. The first one is an class, second one is an object, and third one is an data abstractions, and fourth one is an encapsulations, and fifth one is an polymerism, and sixth one is a inheritance. Yeah, first of all, a class is the uh, blueprint or templates are used to create an object. It is a collection of objects is said to be a classes, and classes are said to be a logical quantities. For the examples of car is a class name. And a object is a real world entity, and then it accesses the properties and methods to defining a classes, and occupies the memory when you create, and it is used in the uh, class members. And the next one is an abstractions. Abstraction is a hide the unnecessary implementation details and show only on the essential features of the object, and it is reduce the complexity and improving usabilities. For examples of ATM and coffee machines. And then the data abstractions is called as a internal details, and showing the functionality is known as an abstractions. And if then abstraction is refer the acts of representing the essential features and without including the uh, background details or explanations. And then the class is used for the concept of an abstract data types, and then there are defined as a list of abstract to attributes, and such as the size, weights and cost, and methods such as operate these or these attributes, and these techniques are operating in a new data. The Java is can be used in the two types of data abstractions. The first one is an abstract class, and second one is a interfaces. And the next one is an encapsulations. Encapsulation is the binding data, uh, which means a combining the warping up to the data in method is a single unit. The single unit is nothing but a class, as known as the uh, encapsulations. And it restricts the direct access to data and protect it from the unauthorized modifications. And next one is an inheritance. Inheritance is a one class to acquire the properties and method of another classes. It is an establishes the parent and child relationship, and it is support for the method overriding. And then uh, And the next one is in polymerism. Polymerism means many forms, and it allows the same method or interfaces perform a different task based on the objects, and it is achieved through the method achieved into the two types of polymerism. The first one is a method overloading and second one is a method overriding. And first of all, here that uh, the method overloading is a runtime polymerism and method overriding is a compile time polymerisms. And here that the inheritance is nothing but a four types. The first one is a single inheritance and second one is a multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance, and last one is a hierarchical inheritance. And thank you.